In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with GoHighLevel. Linking these two platforms lets you connect your store data with your marketing and automation tools, so you can follow up with customers more effectively and keep everything in one place. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can pause at any time to follow along in your own account. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and heading over to your Launchpad. This is usually the first screen you see when you open a specific location or account inside GoHighLevel. From here, we want to get into the main settings area where integrations live. Look towards the bottom left or side menu and click on Settings. This is where you control the core configuration for your account. Things like company details, team, and of course, integrations. Inside the settings area, find and click on the integrations option. This opens a page that lists all the different apps and services you can connect to GoHighLevel. You should see Shopify listed among the available integrations. On the Shopify section, click on the Connect button. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to create a connection between your account and your Shopify store. A configuration window or panel will open, asking for a few important details. First, click into the Admin API Access Token field and enter your Shopify Admin API Access Token. You'll need to generate this inside your Shopify admin beforehand, using a private or custom app with the correct permissions. Make sure you copy and paste the token carefully because it's case sensitive. Also, keep this token secure and never share it publicly, since it gives access to your store's data. Next, click into the field for the name of your Shopify store and type in the store name exactly as it appears in Shopify. This helps you identify the connection inside GoHighLevel, especially if you manage multiple stores or locations. When both the access token and store name are entered correctly, click on Next. GoHighLevel will now start talking to your Shopify store using the details you just provided. At this stage, you'll be asked which elements you want to import from Shopify. Depending on the options presented, this can include things like customers, orders, or products. Take a moment to choose what makes sense for your workflow. For example, importing customers and orders is usually helpful for follow-up campaigns and automations. Once you've selected the elements you want to bring in, click on Next again to confirm and start syncing the information. GoHighLevel will begin pulling data from Shopify into your account. The first sync might take a little time if you have a large store, so be patient and let it complete. After this, your Shopify store is connected to GoHighLevel, and your chosen data will be available for campaigns,